What's up? At a car show. Love Buicks, man. It's the Buick section. This thing's gorgeous. It's a white one here too. The black's just. So that's a 1972 Buick Riviera GS. Ben's car. Second time at the car show. What's up with the lights? What's up with your lights? Yeah. Huh? Oh yeah, I was thinking of your other car there on the other side. Are they different, aren't they? Your other Buick? They're the same, huh? Oh yeah, maybe that's why I'm not used to it. 64 Buick Skylark. It's Ben's dad's. It's Ben's. I forgot these things flip up. Like, why are your headlights all fucked up? Here's the other Skylark. It's 2 years newer, so it's 66, I think, or 67. And the other one we're at. Oh. Wow. That's what I'm talking about right there. Yeah. Wait, I gotta look at this thing real quick. I don't understand this. It's a Buick Road something. I think it's ugly. A lot of people have been looking at this thing. It's cool. 79 Buick Road Duster. Oh, yes. Sweet. So, oh no, it's all good, man. Wow.
What?
Heck of a project, huh?
Kind of.
It's awesome.
There's only 18 known to be existing, still running.
Really?
Yep. It was created for a pace car.
Wow.
1979.
I've never even seen one.
Only 500 created.
500. Nice.
So.
That's awesome. I actually just like the way it is.
It is pretty nice.
Yeah.
The only thing is we can't take it apart or strip any paint off of it until we get the decals recreated.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. You'll lose it, won't you?
Yep.
Yeah.
Like, redo all this. You can't buy the decals packages anywhere, so we gotta measure them out.
And have them custom made?
Yep. The interior we can't have redone.
Oh yeah, because these have those custom seats and stuff, right?
No, these seats were created for it.
Really?
Only other car with these seats, which is oyster white, is Corvette.
Wow. It's amazing.
It's a Corvette steering wheel in there, which was put in it originally. So.
Wow.